Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Disney ears on Dress to Impress. So you can customize it any way you want. You're obviously going to use the like bear headband, like so. And I'm just going to color it black for Minnie's ears. I'm just going to also put it a little bit lower. Actually, I'll just put it on higher first and see how it goes with the bow. Select this bow and you're going to select type 3 with it. I think I'm just going to adjust some stuff with this one. I'm gonna go with the lower option that we have. Select the bow and toggle it to type 3 and go to patterns, and obviously for the mini headbands you're going to use this one. And then you can customize it to whatever you want. I really like this one, the like Mickey sorceress hat. So go back to the dressing rooms and we are going to use this code item, the crown. We're going to color it this like dark blue, and we're going to color the dots white for like the hat. I like this one, it's super cute. I also like the one that I made, which is the Marie. It's not really Disney ears, but it's like a Marie ear. So select this one, color it white, and the inner part this pink color, and then put glitter on and glitter on the material as well here, like that. And then you're going to put the bow again and then do type 3, color it the same, and add glitter. This one's my like favorite. Super cute. You can also make Winnie the Pooh ears, but obviously you're going to make it with, again, this code item. Keep losing it. And you're going to color it like kind of this yellow color. And then I am going to again put on the like bow. I know like it looks kind of weird on like the middle part, but I still think it's kind of cute. Obviously put it on the lower setting, and that's it. You can just make a lot. There's a lot of options that you can do here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.